Hi students, now we are going to solve MCQs for the competitive exams in the chapter Kinetic Theory of Gases. The first problem is, at what temperature will the RMS velocity of a gas be doubled as its value at 300 K? So you have to understand the problem. At 300 Kelvin, what is the RMS velocity? We have to find out. At what temperature the RMS velocity gets doubled means certainly it will be at some higher temperature. Okay, that temperature we have to find out. So what is the expression for the RMS velocity? We have already studied, Vrms. So this is equal to square root of 3RT by m, or this is equal to square root of 3 kT divided by small m. So in this both the expressions now you can see that R is constant, m is constant, therefore T is a variable. Okay, number 3 also is a constant. So we find that Vrms is equal to, or it is proportional to square root of the temperature. So V1 is proportional to temperature T1 inside the square root. Similarly, at a higher temperature, V2 must be proportional to at a temperature T2 inside the square root. So we have to find the T2. T1 is given as 300 K. Okay. So I will write V1 is equal to V and V2 is equal to 2 times V1. So this must be equal to 2V. So RMS velocity gets doubled. Therefore, V2 must be equal to 2 times V1. And T1 is equal to 300 Kelvin. So this is 300 K. So what is to be found here is T2. So this is an idea I am explaining. In the competitive exam, you are not going to do by steps like this. You have to straight. You have to substitute that V is proportional to square root of T. Okay, so I am going to divide V1 by V2. So V1 divided by V2 is equal to square root of T1 by T2. So instead of V1, I can substitute V. So this is V divided by 2V is equal to square root of T1 divided by T2. So this V is getting cancelled, so that this is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Now I am going to square it on both sides. I am going to square on both sides. So after squaring, this square root will vanish. Therefore, T1 by T2 is equal to 1 by 2 whole square. So this is 1 by 4. Okay, we need what? T2, is it not? So T2 is now equal to 4 times T1. So this is equal to 4 into 300 and that is equal to 1200 Kelvin. So we have found that T2 is equal to what? 1200 Kelvin. So which is the correct option? Is option D. Okay. Therefore option D is the correct answer. Such practice, when you do many numerical problems like this, means that quickness will come. So the actual time required to solve this problem is only 5 to 10 seconds only, if you don't believe. Understand that? So you have to now practice such problems, so that after practice, how much time you are going to use is 5 to 10 seconds only. That is only the thinking time. Okay. So the concept is Vrms is proportional to the square root of the absolute temperature. I hope you must have understood that. Fine.